Hi, this is Ms. Fernandez. I'm going to show you how to use Seesaw. Once you've put your QR code and you are in Pre-K DL Seesaw, this is what our class looks like. All the students will be on this side. Let me show you. So everybody's name should be here with their special little icon. And you will be clicking, excuse me, on the activities icon, and you will find assignments by clicking on this blue little folder where it says assign to class. I've created different folders. I have daily calendar, good morning message, movement songs, and the weekly learning plan. So one of the things you would probably click early in the morning would be a good morning message. And you would scroll all the way to the bottom and there's a welcome message for me, and your child could add a response by clicking here, and they could click then on their name. I'm going to click on the sample student, and then they could choose either take a picture of themselves and write their name, or I would know who it is, so you don't have to actually write your name, or you could use the microphone and maybe record a message, or you could actually make a video. Once you did one of those, then there'll be a green arrow up on the corner and you'd click it and it will be submitted. No one else will see other people's work. So it's right now I have it on private. So only I will see what you submit, and once I approve it, it will pop up in your journal. So for example, once Aiden completes an assignment, you can find it by clicking journal and clicking his name. His approved work will be in his journal. We go back to activities and I click here. Once you do the good morning message, you probably would want to do calendar. You would click on this link and it will take you to Starfall, where you click a green arrow and go from page to page, and it asks the children what day it is, and it tells you the days of the week and what month it is and what special days, and they can make their own calendar. If you would like to add a response, that's fine. If you don't and you just want to have your child look at it, that's fine as well. Once you've done the calendar, you would come back here again, and later in the day, if you look on our schedule, virtual schedule, you'll see when these things should more or less occur. It really doesn't have to be at the exact time. You can do it anytime during the day when you're available. Movement songs are also links to different songs, and your child can add a response, but it's not necessary. Those are, since they're just songs, I just want them to have a couple of movement times. Once again, you click the folder icon, and the most important folder here is weekly learning. Weekly learning are all the assignments for that week. You would click on the weekly learning tab and you would click on the days to find out what is assigned. Since we have no school on Monday, there are no assignments. We could use the arrow and go to Tuesday, and the first assignment you would do would be number 1, which is a reading assignment. Some of them need responses and some of them don't. So it might just be a video that you're watching. This number 2 would, I'm trying to put math in the second box. And this is a tracing game. Then in the box number 3, you would do it during phonics time or whenever. And then number 4 is a writing assignment. Number 5, it will be science or social studies. And in number 6, this is sort of social studies, but I'm trying to put something related to social emotional learning or something in Spanish. Um, then on Wednesday, you have 6 more assignments. As I said before, not everything needs a response. And as long as you do 1 assignment a day, you will be counted present. Or you could also be present in one of our live instruction videos. So once you finish everything, everything that you submit, like I said before, will need my approval. I will okay it, and then it will show up in your journal. If you stay in journal and you click on this folder and you say, oh, I want to do the daily calendar, there's nothing in here because journal is really for work that has already been approved. So just remember to always click this activities folder. And then once you're in activities, once again, you'll see all of the assignments I have for this week. And that's about it. Messages that I might send out to parents will be in the announcements, student announcements. And you could answer there by pressing add. I believe you could send me a response if needed. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, text. But I just wanted to show you something about Seesaw so you are familiar with it, so you can use it. And Seesaw is also an app on your phone, so don't think you have to be on a computer. It can also be done on a phone. So please contact me if you have any questions.